I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Lord's mobile app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on apps, come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Lord's mobile app, or just click on search here, then here add Lord's mobile app. It's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.